today's topic is open reading frame. So what is open reading frame? From the name itself it is clear that there must be a frame which will be read. So what is the frame and how it will be read, that things we will understand in the open reading frame. So it is referred is a frame of reference, okay, which will be read, and what it will read? It will read a RNA code. And how it will read? It is read by the ribosomes in order to make a protein. So the concept is, from the DNA we are going to make protein. So how we can make proteins from a DNA? So as you all know, there is a certain process in molecular central dogma, that is DNA. By the process of transcription it will make mRNA, and mRNA make proteins by the process of translation. Okay, like your DNA is made up of monotonous representation of A, C, T and G. There is any number of combinations or any number of representations can be possible in a DNA, like any number of times A will repeat, then C and then T and G. So this can be possible in a DNA sequence. Okay, so it has some language. These A, T, G, C, they have some language. They have some language in the means that they infer some information by the means of their presentation or representation at particular position. So of course, when it is transcribed into RNA and then it is translated into protein, so the mRNA, like your DNA is a single letter, and when it is transcribed into mRNA, it is read by A, C, T, G, single letter it will be read. But when mRNA, like that, when mRNA will be read, it is not reading in a single letter. इसको पढ़ा जाता है तीन के सेगमेंट में. जैसे कि DNA में हमने बताया कि ये सिंगल लेटर को पढ़ता है. When mRNA will be read, it is read in the 3-letter form, and these 3 letters is known as codons. In molecular machine, those codons will make the proteins. So what kinds of codons are there? So there are basically 2 types of codons. Okay, the codons which will start the process, means as it is mentioned here, it is open. So open means it is open. That frame is open for some particular function. So what kind of function it is open? It is open for the synthesis of protein, manufacturing of proteins from the mRNA. So now it will be read in the 3 letter form, and those 3 letters will convert into a particular, or you can say in form, those particular 3 letters will make a particular amino acid. Okay, and the whole chain will make protein. So how this process is happening? This process will be performed by the ribosome. Ribosome, like there is a rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. So ribosome what will do? Ribosome will read the particular code. Either it is a UUA, AUG, CUG, ATC, T will not come. On the place of T there will be U, AUG, UUU, AAA, GGG, any kind of code is possible. So a ribosome will read that particular code, and according to that code it will transcribe to the translate it to the particular amino acid. So it is very much clear from here, each amino acid is meant for a particular codon, or in other words we can say one codon will code for only one amino acid. It is not like that ki triple AAA will code for 3 different amino acids. So now the machinery will get confused. To overcome such problem, there is a methods. Only only one codon will code for one amino acid. So this is a start codon. When the processes keep on continuing, adding one amino acid after another, it returns into a, sometimes it runs out of the codons when there is a no codon. Okay, then, or there is a codon which do not code for anything. Okay, which some codons are there which is do not code for any amino acid. So that time the machinery get confused. okay, or the ribosome get confused because they didn't get anything, so they stop the process. So when that, by using which codons they stop the process, they use the codons which is not coding anything. So such codons are known as stop codon. Such codons are known as stop codon. A ORF can be any number of thing, any number of size. It can code 300 amino acid, it can code for 500 amino acid, it can code for 1000 amino acid. So it varies according to the size. There are total 6 kind of frame. There are 3 forward frame and there are 3 backward frame. So अगर हम molecular ORF की जो है actual definition की बात करें, तो it is mentioned here in molecular biology, an open reading frame is the part of a reading frame that has the ability to be translated. An ORF is a continuous search of codons that begins with the start codon and ends at a stop codon. Means when there is a start codon, so a start codon is nothing but it is AUG. AUG code for methionine. Okay, so AUG is your start codon. So it is, as soon as it will find the AUG in the frame, the process of translation will begin. So mRNA will start coding the, giving the instruction for making the protein, okay, or like amino acid synthesis will begin, and it is keep on continue until they will not meet with the stop codon. So stop codon are those codon which will not code for any peptides, or sorry, there is not peptide, there is a amino acid. Those codons which will not code for any amino acid, they are known as stop codon. So there are 3 kinds of stop codons. They are known as, named as Amber, Opal and Ochra. Okay. So here it is a diagrammatic representation, you can understand. So like there is a sequence like 5' end and this is 3' end. So like here it is a 5' end and here it is a 3' end. Okay, and this is TI, transmission. 1 minute. This is 5', this is 3', this is TI. TI is transcription initiation. TT, transmission termination. Okay, E1, E2, E3, they are the exons. T1 and I1 and I2, they are the introns. Introns is a non-coding part. Okay. TSC is a transcription start codon. Transcription start codon. So it is a representation of a gene structure. Okay, and here like it is a DNA transcription signal, exon, intron, exon. Here it is a start codon and stop codon. This is poly A tail, means it is a mRNA, and now this mature mRNA will make the, this is pre and this is mature. Now all the introns will be removed and this is ORF, start codon and stop codon. This UTR region, 5' UTR and 3' UTR, this is known as untranslated region. Those regions which will not be translated, means those will not make the proteins or amino acid, they are known as UTR, 5' UTR as well as 3' UTR. Okay. So I hope it is very much clear. If you have any doubt, you feed me in the questions, or any suggestions if you have regarding this video, you can post it there. Thank you for watching.